In this tutorial, we will go over the basic interface of the Sandbox editor. The main window here is called the perspective window. You'll do a large part of your level editing here. The menu up here will be referred to as the main menu. This is the roll-up bar. This is called the status bar. And this here is the console. Let's move the perspective viewpoint around a little. Pressing W, A, S or D will allow you to move sideways, forwards and backwards. Hold the right mouse button and move the mouse to turn your view around. Hold the middle mouse button and move the mouse to pan your view. Roll the middle mouse button to move the view backwards and forwards. Hold down Shift to increase the speed of the movement. You can also change the speed of movement using the speed type in the box in the status bar. An important menu item in the main menu is the View menu. It contains access points to many of the main editor functions. Go to View, open View Frame, and go to the Select Objects menu. A new window will open. You can resize this window by clicking and holding the left mouse button on the edge and moving the mouse, or by doing the same on the corners. You can dock an editor window to the side of the main Sandbox window by left-clicking on the title bar and dragging it with the mouse over to one of the small arrows that appear, then releasing the button. You can undock the window by clicking and dragging the title bar elsewhere. You can also dock an editor window within a window, as a tab. Let's click and drag the title bar of the console and move it to within the small circular button that appears within the Select Objects window and release. You will see the console will now be available as part of the same window as the Select Objects tab. The roll-up bar is used for a large percentage of your day-to-day editing. There are 5 tabs on the roll-up bar: Objects, Terrain, Modeling, Display, and Layers. Click on the little icon up the top of the bar to switch between them. Go to the Objects tab and click on the Entity button, and a list of folders will appear. Click a folder to open and close it. Click the titles within the roll-up bar to expand and collapse the sections below them. Grab the scroll bar at the side to move things up and down. You can also click and drag the roll-up bar if you click a blank part of the bar and move the mouse. Go to the View menu and click Show Toolbox. This will bring up the toolbox, which contains a few nice shortcuts and can be customized with more. Now go back to the View menu, then open View pane and go to the Track View. Track View is a tool used to create uninterruptible sequences of events in-game, such as animations. Again, in the View menu, in View panes, open up Database View. This tool is an interface for the various libraries available for use within the editor. Now, let's go to the Material Editor. Much like the tabs contained in the Database View, this window contains a library of materials to be used in-game. The Character Editor is a tool used to view, set up and debug characters and character animations. Flowgraph is the embedded visual scripting language included with the Sandbox editor. Animation Graph is used to set up animation states and links. The Vehicle Editor is a tool used to set up and tweak vehicles. The Smart Object Editor is an editing tool for smart objects, which are a special kind of objects used to create logical interactions in the game world. The Time of Day Editor is an in-depth tool that can be used to set up your sky and certain aspects of the environment. The dialogue editor is a tool used making in-game dialogue compatible with FlowGraph, ready for localization and subtitle setup. This closes the interface tutorial. For further information, please visit our website crymods.com.